What do you find yourself missing about the twin turbos? Do you like the blower versus the twin turbos?
In the beginning, I would probably pick the twin turbos, but for the setup that I was gonna run, I'd pick the blower.
How about getting off the line? Which setup was better?
Blower.
This is blower. Blower.
Because we could take it. See, we could take a 200 shot of nitrous. We could take this blower, plant them off, and hide the solenoids under here and put it back on. You would never know it's on nitrous. We used to do that on the stock Edens. So that's why. The 1993 Foxbody coupe.
1993 Foxbody coupe. We've got a Cobra motor, right, out of a 0304.
Yep, it's 03.
03, built with Manly pistons, Manly rods.
Yep, it's got DSS ported, polished heads.
Cam, stock cams.
Yep, stock
cams.
cams.
Cam. It's got 4 cams, right?
Yep, it does.
That's why these things are powerful. Quad cam. We're gonna go for a ride on Pumpcast and see what happens. Let's take a ride, man. Oh yeah. All right. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Door closed. I give your compliments to the Cobra tack. Still got a Cobra tack. It's pretty much gutted. Got some pieces in here. I'm pretty sure all the interior is here with the vehicle. It's just pre-gutted now. Pretty sure that might be mold. Who knows? But race car. So cool. You got a 3-speed built C4, I believe. And he does have a trans brake, 6,000 RPM trans brake from what I understand. We do still have door speakers. There is a gap in the doorway. Don't worry about it. Don't ask what that's for. I believe stock seats. We're gonna see what this thing's got. I love how your intake is ridiculously loud. So what's the red button for?
Reverse.
Okay. You have a boost gauge in here? Oh, stock boost gauge?
We do have it, but it's not like that.
Okay. That will be Taylor's Terminator swap Foxbody. Absolutely nasty car. The motor in that thing is like pristine. It runs like a bumblebee. And car could see a better day, but that car will probably slay the 8th mile. Comment down below if you want us to get that thing on the track. Maybe I might financially hop behind it if he's in on that ordeal. That car is for sale for $11,000. If you're interested, comment down below. We will get to you as soon as we can if you are interested. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support. If you have subscribed, make sure you've got the notification bell hit so you're up to date on the videos. I have been dropping quite a lot lately. Do it for the people. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you share it and send it on down the assembly line with everybody else's, because it's at least halfway good, right? We will see you next time.